Oh, interesting. So I have to introduce him.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I think he should start. He should start. Always the seniors have to start.
No, I am not that old, by the way.
और doctors तो बहुत, they are all like science and they would think Vastu is not important.
Delay is never free.
Yeah, delay never works either in dentistry nor in realism.
मतलब आपको इंटरेस्ट के साथ पैसा चुकाना पड़ता है ऐसा है. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. मतलब actually ये मैंने सोचा ही नहीं है.
The biggest factor which he just mentioned is the goodwill and the reference. But there is no board of Dr. Ashar's Care. There is no board of BD Vasani. There is no board of Wiseways. Right? Have you ever realized? But still people walk in asking for us.
And he's a great doctor.
Hi, so today in the show, we have two builders in the room. One who builds spaces for people to live in, and other builds smiles that light up that space. Let's have Chintan and Dr. Neil.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to the show.
Hello.
Hi.
So, you both know each other since long, right? And who better to introduce each other, right, rather than me?
Oh, interesting. So I have to introduce him.
Yeah.
Okay. I think he should start.
I should start.
Always the seniors have to start.
No, I am not that old, by the way.
You can check the beard, I still have some black left in there.
So I know Chintan since last 12 years now. Or actually exact 12 years. 2014 is the first time we met. I have a very, very, very strong memory of Chintan because I bought place in fact bought the office in his building, and he was the guy who was handling sales. Everything was Chintan. And I came to him, and first time when I met him, a very strong personality and a super sales guy. I was sold on day one. If I want to buy office, I want to buy in this building only. And I'm willing to pay any price for it. And when he gave the price, I was like, okay, take it, no problem. And he was so kind enough that there was some, delay in payment because I was just starting out. And he was so good to help me out in all the possible ways. I'm sure he still remembers all those transactions. And, from there, the friendship, it's more become like a friendship than, a professional relation. And after that, obviously, his whole family and everybody are now patients with us, So the relation has just grown over the last 12 years.
So in my case, I actually don't remember Dr. Neil because the one which I met was a few 100 kilos and he was a different person. Very, very I still remember the first day when he and I think your sister or your sister-in-law.
Sister.
Because I always thought doctors, I was very young. I was 24, 25. I'm still young, but उस टाइम पे मुझे ऐसा लगता था यार वास्तु में कौन बिलीव करेगा और डॉक्टर्स तो बहुत they are all like science and they would think vastu is not important. So I was trying to sell them the biggest unit of my what I had to offer. I remember he could have bought like the entire floor, but that one lady who had come along with him and they were very keen on buying one particular inventory. फिर मैंने बोला सब छोड़ो मुझे बेचने के पहले बताओ आपको क्यों मतलब ये चाहिए like Chintan, I'll be very honest to you, if we buy we are buying for sure but we'll buy only this because vastu wise this is like the and then I see the growth what he has done. तो उसके बाद मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे को वास्तु में ज्यादा बिलीव करने में he and his entire thing and today I feel entire all our building is inspired by him the way he has though he's a very good doctor, yes, but जो उन्होंने achieve किया है with his mental and all the kind of control over everything, that is something which we look up to and he's a great doctor. Whoever has जो भी उनके पास जाता है आप भी हम लोग का podcast start होने के पहले I just met a few friends of mine. I've been calling them always, come to office, कभी नहीं आते, आज आ गए. बोला क्यों आए बोलते अरे मेरा डॉक्टर नील के साथ एक मीटिंग था. सो आई थिंक भरे बिल्डिंग किसी का भी हो देयर आर 3-4 पीपल ऑलवेज से अरे डॉक्टर नील के इधर है ना. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड नाउ आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ग्रो विद हिम.
So I'm sure 10 years back, you both would be sitting opposite each other for
Yeah.
business work,
Yeah.
right?
Same cabin.
Same case.
Same
cable.
Lovely.
Yes.
And now, I mean, if we see the growth, like we're doing a podcast and you both are just going to talk about each other's work. That is,
Yeah. That's something the dimension of the relation has changed completely what it was 12 years ago. And
Now we are, it's family. Like, now I'll force him. You have to buy the bigger unit, not the smaller unit.
and you have to make sure it's Vastu Right?
Now everything after that incident, मैंने सब चीज मेरे आर्किटेक्ट से ज्यादा मैं मेरे वास्तु कंसल्टेंट का सुना.
And you would be getting many clients who would first kind of
See,
okay,
I personally feel getting clients after 10-15 years in business is something which the goodwill that you have built in last few years, feel that is a byproduct.
right.
Like, getting client or anything. Give the best effort and people will want to. Like, see, India, it is a very interesting country. Today, I'll share a data. Only 25% of the people who can actually buy homes, उनका अभी तो खुद का घर बना है. ऑफिसेस का डेटा तो और स्ट्राइकिंग होगा. लोग बोलते हैं इतने बिल्डिंग्स बन रहे, इतने घर लेगा कौन. आप खाली आपके घर पे जाके पूछो कितने लोगों को अभी भी दे आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद देयर होम. फैमिलीज आर ग्रोइंग. सो आई एम इन एन इंडस्ट्री विच विल सी नो रिसेशन. सेम विद हिम. लोग चॉकलेट्स खाते रहेंगे. लोग मतलब वीनियस, मेरे को याद है एक टाइम है किसी को पता ही नहीं था, सबको पता है.
Comes and you want
You're
me
getting
to
it.
tell
I remember there was one girl whom I had met during my college days. She used to have diamond in her teeth. Now something else is going on. So things will always, you have
That
to
basic is always
you have to
going.
keep updating yourself and बेचने के लिए नहीं करना चाहिए. Things you just have to give you 100%. There would be like people who would want to invest in your
So coming to investment so I guess there is one struggle which I'm sure you both would be facing every single day. I mean, the basic of delay. Delay in taking a decision. So probably in dentistry, what is the delay? What would it cost the patient?
I think that's a very good similarity between both the businesses, right? In dentistry, delay, as he just gave a figures of real estate, I can give statistics in dentistry till today 90%, and he will agree because his wife is also a dentist, so he knows very well, right? 90% of the people go to a dentist only when there is pain. Yeah, there is no concept of going for a routine checkup or a routine cleanup or just for general dental health perspective. So that is where the delay factor comes in. So we think patients go to a dentist only when there is some trouble. So that's not right. That attitude has still not changed in India, even though India is evolving. So we hope that it changes over a period of time. And secondly, again, very similar to real estate, is the more you delay in dentistry, the more expensive it becomes. I'm sure that there is a direct correlation between real estate and
something very similar in dentistry and in real estate is if you delay you don't get. Khatam. Matlab khalas. Like, if you want one particular inventory, say 501 or something like him, he wanted that unit
Right.
on the second floor and 205.
Yeah.
तो 7 number and all that. अभी वो चीज अगर आज आपने decision नहीं लिया, you will not get it. So you have to come tomorrow and कल का भाव like will be different. So the best time to buy real estate was yesterday. The next best time is today.
True.
वैसा and then
There is never a tomorrow.
There is never a tomorrow and चीजों का भाव तो बढ़ते ही रहने वाला है. So you will, so being on fence is the most stupid thing anyone can do in real estate. Same with dentistry. अगर मैंने जल्दी मेरा फिलिंग नहीं करवाया या I didn't get it cured, तो फिर वो दांत निकाल के फिर वो अलग दांत डालना पड़ेगा. और
delay is never free.
Delay never works either in dentistry nor in real estate.
मतलब आपको इंटरेस्ट के साथ पैसा चुकाना ऐसा है.
So my
Exponentially, I should say. Not even interest.
100%.
Yeah, it should be exponential.
And the pain, I
your
think
own.
it's more like what I feel is pain in not buying real estate and pain in
dentistry.
ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. मतलब actually ये मैंने सोचा ही नहीं है.
So both of you work in an industry where the knowledge is definitely all in, right? So what is it for the people sitting on the other side of the table? How would you guide them? Like obviously they come to you because of the trust factor. So what are the red flags where they have to take care of and how can you guide them? would there be red flags in real estate where the person is coming to you and
See, personally, with my knowledge of last decade into real estate, I feel the customer is the king, and he 100% knows more than me. And after WhatsApp University, YouTube University, they know much more than, like, and it's not just them. Like, एक decision एक अकेला बंदा नहीं लेता. उसकी वाइफ का उससे ज्यादा उस पे, मतलब दे आर द ऑल्सो, दे आर द की प्लेयर्स. Their parents are the, like, they have a massive support in making them take a decision. And the kids today, I think they are the one who are driving this entire decision of buying one particular inventory. So whoever is watching this, be it any industry, your customer को listening is super important. Like, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, ये जो बता रहा है ना, उसने ये पर्टिकुलर कोई XYZ वीडियो देखा होगा और उसका वो ज्ञान he is trying to give me. But if you don't hear them out,
Right.
you are losing that person. So what I do is, when I start a meeting, ask the right questions. That gives me like the entire understanding where he or she is coming from.
Right.
And then I can show them my particular product. और मैं उनको insist करूंगा, आज close मत करो. I know what are you looking for. There are 5 different options in the market. He might have visited 2. तो मैं उनको बोले, आपने 2 जो विजिट किया ना, उसमें आपका क्लोजिंग कॉस्ट आपको क्या मिला है, ये नहीं है, इससे और कम हो सकता है, और ये 3 भी जाके विजिट करो. देन ऑलवेज कंपेयर एप्पल टू एप्पल,
right?
एंड देन यू सिट विद मी.
It's true.
एंड कैसा होता है, इट्स अबाउट यू. मुझे ऐसा लगता है इट्स ऑल अबाउट पीपल पीपल पीपल. द मोमेंट समवन फील्स कंफर्टेबल विद यू,
That
यू हैव टू मेक मतलब अपने आप को एकदम एडिक्टिव बना देने का. उसको ऐसा लगना चाहिए इसके साथ ही, मतलब आई वांट टू डू बिजनेस.
I guess that's what
Correct.
happened with him.
Yeah, exactly.
मतलब,
See, I will say that,
Stable.
so that comfort level develop.
Everyone is making, see, every doctor, there are like, I think more than, like, I don't know the data, but I think thousands में होंगे dentists in Borivali, but still people are coming to him. It's because they feel that kind of comfort, and they feel कि हाँ भाई, what he's giving me, जो मेरे को suggest करे, it's not a short term thing.
True.
And always think long term. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, it's all about रेफरेंस का जो हम लोग का बिजनेस होता है रियल एस्टेट में या कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में. CPL, कॉस्ट पर लीड, कॉस्ट पर क्वालिटी लीड, कॉस्ट पर पर्सन हु हैज वॉक्ड इन.
Right.
अभी वो 18 to 22,000 हो गया रियल एस्टेट में. एक जन आपके सामने आके बैठ रहा है, उसका कॉस्ट मुझे 22,000 रुपए आ रहा है. तो अगर मैंने उसके साथ अच्छा रिलेशन बिल्ड किया है, तो वो 22,000 में हर एक बार सेव कर सकता हूं. यू आर गेटिंग. एंड टेक्निकली द मोमेंट समवन इज मोर कंफर्टेबल विद यू, यूजुअली रियल एस्टेट में थर्ड टाइम पे कोई आता है ना, वॉक इन करता है, तब वो आके क्लोज करता है.
Correct. So he's absolutely right. Again, there is a lot of similarity between the way he deals and way deal. You know that, right? In our business. So the biggest factor which he just mentioned is the goodwill and the reference. So if you look at it, now, we are here since last 12 years, but there is no board of Dr. Asher's Care. There is no board of BD Vasani. There is no board of Wiseways, right? Have you ever realized? But still people walk in asking for us.
That's it.
Right, because that's the reference we have built over the period of the goodwill which we have built over the last 12 years, or he has built over the last so many years, right? Obviously, BD Vasani was a name right since beginning, but Wiseways has built that name. So it's purely the reference. So similarly, we also purely work on reference and the trust which we build. Again, the way he just said that the decision making, right, in our business also, it's not because the major clientele, okay, the major patient which we deal with today are more than 50 years or 60 years. So the decision making is a little slow. It generally doesn't close in that one sitting or 2 sittings, because he will understand, he will go to 2-3 places, he will take different quotes. Again, then there is a different variety of products available in the market. He will consult his children, then the children come with to us, they have some doubts, we solve that. And then the second and the third sitting is when we actually close. Right. So again, there is a lot of similarity between the two businesses. Just that the cost factor is a little different. When it comes to real
He
estate.
makes more money, I make less. It's cost factor and
Just small factor.
Right.
So I always listen to foundation matters a lot, right? So in real estate, definitely it is a very easy. The way to understand what is foundation. But what is foundation in dentistry? And how is it that we can relate both of them? Like,
See, foundation is everything. It's all about planning. The way you plan your treatment, and then how. So we spend more time in planning a treatment than actually executing it. Right. So the team sits, the team, sees does all the diagnostics. They will take the X-rays, the CT scan. We have the in-house CT scan machine. We do have a in-house scanner machine. So we do scan, we send it to the lab, we plan. Now we have computer guided procedures. So we do plan the whole computer guided procedures. And then it's just about executing it. Execution is just 10% of it. But when you plan well, and you build the right foundation, that's when you get a successful outcome. That's how you build goodwill, and that's how we get more and more references. So for us, that's what the foundation is all about, and I'm sure real estate also has same.
I think we had a conversation few days back. I said, I always say it's life is like an iPhone.
Yeah.
Every few days, every few months, you get a message के आपको आपका फर्मवेयर अपडेट करना है. अगर नहीं करोगे तो आपका फोन या तो स्लो हो जाएगा और there will be some glitch. So you have to keep updating yourself. So again, foundation is super important. Your basic fundamentals of real estate are super important. Like you need to build off a particular standard. You need to be updated about what is happening with the government rules and everything. Main है execution में आप कैसे वो चीज को आप फॉलो करवाते हो. लाइक थोड़ा सा आपको डॉक्टर नील के कंपैरिजन में या डेंटिस्ट्री के कंपैरिजन में यहाँ पे बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स में इतना इवॉल्वमेंट कंपैरेटिवली आप ओवर द इयर्स देखोगे तो इतना नहीं आया. लाइक आई वाज जस्ट शॉक्ड. न्यूयॉर्क का जो सबसे वो बिल्डिंग का हमेशा लोग बात करते हैं, वो 100 डेज में पूरा बन के रेडी हो गया था. एंड दैट वाज इन आज से कितने साल पहले, 35, 40, 50 years पहले, they made a building of this size in very less time. Today, if you ask me, it is next to impossible according to me, even in 2026 that we are shooting.
Correct.
So again, उसका भी मैंने पूरा उसका बुक है कि उन्होंने प्लानिंग में बहुत टाइम लगाया. So everything it is very similar. The day you have done minute to minute planning of executing. See, real estate is very simple. एक है बेचना, एक है बनाना, और एक है प्लान करके वो बनाना के पहले वो प्लान करना जो है.
the first part of
हाँ. So my passion is always designing a product and selling it. I'm blessed with a very good partners who are very good at planning, execution and everything. But then you need to know what is happening at all the departments to, because when I'm sitting with someone, I have to explain them in and out. कि मैं क्या मटेरियल बना रहा हूँ. लाइक इन वन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स आई रिमेम्बर माय यूएसपी इज यूजिंग टाटा स्टील. तो वो टाटा स्टील क्यों यूज कर रहा है उसके पीछे का भी एक स्टोरी है. यू आर गेटिंग, एंड एवरीथिंग इज स्टोरी टेलिंग राइट नाउ. Today you just say I'm making one of the best buildings, okay, but I'm making one of the buildings with so and so architect.
Right.
This is my vision, and I want to make a doctor's house where there would be only doctors. Now you have to be passionate about your story and then present it. तो सामने वाला वो आपके they want to become a part of that entire journey. So making someone part of your journey, making part of your foundation actually. जैसे इन्होंने कैसे बोला अभी तू next project launch कर, मैं लेने ही वाला हूँ. So there are I'm blessed with at least 10-12 people in this build. There are 15 people. एक मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि मैंने अभी लेटेस्ट भी जो प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च किया, वो ही लोगों ने आकर या तो इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी खरीदा या अपना घर खरीदा. There are 6 to 7 people we stay in the same building. हम लोग ऑफिस से कभी कभी मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना मेरा ड्राइवर लेट कर रहा है, मैं उनकी गाड़ी में बैठ के आ जाता हूँ. So I think it's all about creating those connections, and again, money and everything is a byproduct.
The connections are where the foundation set is always at strongest.
Yeah, so in his case, he's more passionate about, designing the product and selling it. It's a little different for me because I'm more passionate about I'm planning.
Right.
Execution is just a small part in my role. The team takes care of all the execution.
Like now he keeps traveling to so many places. जब हम लोग का बहुत बार डिस्कशन होता है तो कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में शायद 99% लोगों को पता ही नहीं होगा. Only and only when you are upgrading yourself you come to know अच्छा ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है. अच्छा हो सकता है बट वो प्राइसिंग भी सेट होना चाहिए. अभी यहाँ आके मैं बोल दूंगा मैं ये मेरे को ये करना है.
True.
वो बोलेगा भाई मेरे को हर डॉक्टर 100 rupees charge करता है, I don't mind giving 10, 20, 15, 20% more. You have to have that USP, na?
Yes.
So like you had gone to Germany for your training
Yes.
into implants, right?
Yes.
So do we also have some?
So I love traveling, one, and I was recently I went to Dubai with my family because I love that place. I go there like every 2-3 months. My wife actually made a reel which went viral, and she's like, any person in real estate getting their family to Dubai is not a not a family vacation. It's a field trip or a place where you go to learn. So we keep traveling across, and that is how we get all our market feedback and market research. Like I remember like Niranjan Hiranandani, one of the top developers. Now I remember going to Goa with him and doing morning yoga. अभी उनके साथ वो योगा का 1-2 घंटे में मैंने उनको इतने स्टूपिड मेरे 5 क्वेश्चंस पूछे रहेंगे, बट ही वाज लाइक वो भी अपने मूड में, मैं भी अपने मूड पे हूँ. सो आई थिंक व्हेन यू ट्रैवल द एक्सपोजर एंड द काइंड ऑफ आपका माइंड जो खुल जाता है ना, आपका माइंड खुल जाता है.
How many study tours have you done?
2017 onwards, I've been traveling regularly, so at least 1 to 2 a year. And I always make it a point that we have the biggest dental event called IDS, which is the biggest dental show which happens once in 2 years in Germany, and I don't miss that because the state of the art technology what he's talking about gets launched there. What is going to come next in dentistry? So that's one fair I don't miss out, and it's one of the best eye openers as he's talking, in dentistry. So it's a fantastic experience. So I love travel. And there have been a couple of reels which we have shot, and I have been always asked, if you were not a dentist, what you would be? And I've always said I would be a, not a travel agent,
Planner.
but a travel planner.
Okay.
I would have been a travel planner for sure. That's been my passion. No doubt about that. So along with travel, along with this, I always explore the other places. It's fun.
So given an opportunity to both of you, if there would be one question, I've asked enough, right? So if there would be one question you want to ask him and vice versa, this is a moment. Ask anything you want, be it work-wise, personal, friendship, or
I think I always am very fond of him as a dentist, but मेरा respect उनके लिए जब उन्होंने वो जो weight loss किया था, मैंने जितना gain किया है weight after we became friends,
Right.
उससे 3 times ज़्यादा I think he has lost. So if and I think I'll be like a few years younger to him. So if he could suggest me कि मेरे को ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए, what was that one trigger thing
Right.
which happened with him, which I would also want to do like he just did. I think आपने Iron Man किया अभी multiple times.
Right.
तो मेरी वाइफ भी हमेशा मुझे बोलती है. So what if I want to become like Iron Man Chintan Vasan?
Discipline and consistency in what you do. That's it. But triggers in life, there have been some medical triggers.
Which was that one trigger which made you
Yes,
अभी करना है?
I was a diabetic, and
Okay.
I got diabetes, and I was on insulin, and that was a time when my daughter was small, and
Okay.
and I said no. I cannot survive like this, and thankfully I did it at the right time, because if COVID hit, I'm sure I would not be shooting this reel. I would have been like in a frame with a heart with that kind of diabetes. So that was the biggest trigger in my life. But then I realized it's all about discipline and consistency, and then it's become a part of my life.
So I remember like when coming in the building, हम लोग का कभी-कभी टाइमिंग सेम होगा. उनके हाथ में तो पूरा खाना रहेगा, एक पानी का बॉटल रहेगा. तो मतलब भाई जिम जा रहे हो के डेंटिस्ट वाले अपना नहीं वो मेरा स्टाइल है चिंतन. You also should do this. ये वो मैं उस दिन मतलब 2 दिन मतलब उनको मैं मिलूंगा, फिर 2 दिन मैं भी स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाऊंगा.
so you need to make
Yeah.
sure that you match the time
100%.
every 2 days so it continues.
100%.
No, so one thing I really want to ask him. Okay, I really admire him for his sales skills. It's unbelievable. I have not seen a guy who has this kind of skills. And I know since 2014. But along with being a business tycoon in real estate,
Yes.
he has really made a huge impact on social media. Huge. Well,
Right.
that's unbelievable. Now, how he is managing to handle social media and real estate, they're 2 different things, absolutely different. You also know, right? In real estate, how many people are so active on social media? You tell me one. We have been doing social media now for last 3 years, right? But I don't know one single developer who's so active, who has so many followers, and who's now running it like a business.
True on that.
You know, it's
They like
unbelievable.
what-
That's a, I won't call it a transition, but it's like managing two separate
100%.
babies altogether, right? That's what I really want to learn from him.
So I
It's
think
amazing.
during personally मेरे को वो अच्छा भी लगता है. Like, you know, you go to an event and everyone wants to take a selfie with you,
Right.
or someone says, "अरे, you know, I watched your last reel, बहुत interesting
Kind
था."
of feel like a
तो वो
celebrity.
लोग भले बोलते रहेंगे, यार, I am very, मेरे को ऐसा थोड़ा, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है when people
That's so honest.
when
Be
people
honest about it.
100%.
There's nothing wrong with being feeling
When
like a celebrity.
people recognize me, or you know, someone in North India is launching a project and he's like, I have to call Chintan and he has to make a reel about
Right.
it.
So it's just emotion.
Emotion.
like,
So then
just getting
I have that connection. Then I say, if I'm in your city just for a day, where are you taking me for dinner? It's not a real estate question, but then अच्छा तू आया
पर एक-
तेरे को मैं ये खिलाऊंगा. And the moment someone is passionate, food is something everyone is
Yeah,
passionate about. Though he has become like a Neil Asher patla wala, but still he'll remember like, you know,
Yes.
कि वो तो he'll also अरे चल आज cheat करेंगे अपन ये करेंगे. And then I talk about which is that one place which is a gold mine for investment. Now I know that is what I want to ask him.
Right.
मेरे को भी सीखना है ना भाई at the end of the day. But then if I directly ask that, no one is interested. So this is something which has come after doing like
But you
200,
learned
300.
it professionally.
I think
or
learn-
like evolved over.
See, I had done an acting course when I was in college. I always wanted to become an actor.
Okay.
I did a few small movies. I did one movie where I was with Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh,
You know, I wanted to share a screen time with him. But then I realized one thing, because at the end of I'm a Gujarati, I'm very practical. आप जितना डालोगे उतना आपको रिटर्न नहीं मिलता है इंडस्ट्री में. लाइक यू नो एक्टिंग ऐसा मुझे लगता है. एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर लक. रियल एस्टेट या कोई भी और इंडस्ट्री में कैसा आप पैशनेटली करो, आप उस पर लगे रहो, आपको क्लिक होने ही वाला है.
Correct.
So that was a very interesting thing which I understood at a very early stage. But then I was always,
You had a dream.
I had a thing कि यार I love facing the camera. I love going on news channels to give my perspectives. इन्होंने अभी एक बात बोला कि he loves traveling. He's a dentist.
Right.
So there would be so many dentists in Indore. There would be so many dentists in Switzerland, in Australia who would want to learn. Why can't he become like a person who's dedicating 10 days by only traveling and making them understand कि भाई क्या होता है dentistry आपने क्या. So you know something similar is what I'm doing in
Correct. In real estate.
and then I've been blessed with a lot of good friends who actually help me, because this is expensive.
Right.
You know, if you want to make a content and there is expensive, ऐसे आपको लगेगा कि मैं कितना टाइम करते रहूं.
Kiतना time? Yeah,
But the
that's what-
moment you see, okay fine, you are able to close more deals, you are able to take up new like अभी एक प्रोजेक्ट का रीडेवलपमेंट का हम लोग को एक वो आया था, तो मेरे साथ जो कॉम्पीट कर रहे थे वो धुरंधर्स थे. They had done like 100 times more projects than me, but the building is like, no, we have seen you on YouTube and so many places. You seem to be like a bigger brand and stuff. So this helps.
This helps.
Yes.
It does, absolutely. And that's why my team has been behind me to do this.
और मजा भी आएगा आपको.
I was very reserved and very conservative when it came to social media. So interacting with people like you, I have no problem, because obviously it's like family, friends. We are just talking,
but the
having
thing
a
is,
casual chat.
Neil, you are talking to the camera. So this camera, मैं तो ऐसे सोचता हूँ आनंद महिंद्रा मुझे देख रहा है, वो अपने like you know मुकेश अंबानी एक दिन अचानक स्क्रॉल करते हुए देख रहा है, अरे चिंतन ये क्या बात कर रहा है, नहीं like call this guy, I want to meet him. Because you know your audience will be anyone and everyone, and I have actually seen that. Like you know, I traveled to like Madagascar or some other country. उधर एक जन बोलेगा, अरे आपका मैंने रील देखा है, वो मैं इंडिया के बारे में सर्च कर रहा था रियल एस्टेट, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे. अभी मैं दुबई गया था, लिटरली आई मेट लाइक so many people there, because उधर क्या सब रियल एस्टेट करते हैं. So they love that content so much.
So I guess enough of question answers, right? Serious questions. So let's have more fun. Okay, I'm gonna ask you rapid fire questions. Whatever comes quickly. Okay, I don't
Right.
want you guys think or give me any serious.
Okay.
Is it one by one or it is together?
One by one.
First आप बोलेंगे, फिर मैं बोलूँगा. I'll get that 2 seconds to think about.
Okay, I don't know.
I'll say who.
I'll start first, no problem.
What is that one superpower your patient wish you had, and what would you actually do with it?
Take away that pain instantly. Like I have a magic wand and I just move around and the pain just goes away.
Oh, nice. I'm sure all the patients would want that.
Yeah.
And how about you?
मेरे पास भी वही मैजिक बन रियल एस्टेट का करके पूरा बिल्डिंग बन गया.
Now to you. If you had to sell a dental implant like a property listing, how would you do it?
Your wife also wants you to have it. So please have it. I think it's very simple. You don't have an option. It's like घर एक ऐसी चीज है कि आपको घर में रहना ही पड़ेगा. तो डेंटल इम्प्लांट ऐसी चीज है कि आप नहीं करोगे तो कल आप कैन ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हेन यू स्माइल दे विल नोटिस. आपका एक मैंने फोटो देखा था, सॉरी आई एम टेकिंग कि मतलब उसका आईब्रो नहीं था, किसी ने नोटिस नहीं किया, बट उसके स्माइल में एक दांत मिसिंग था. तो आई थिंक आई विल यूज दैट फोटो और उसके नीचे लिख दूंगा वाइस बेस डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स पावर्ड बाय आशर्स.
For you, if a mouth was a property, what would be the hardest to renovate?
Oh, that's a God. I think if the mouth was a property, the most difficult part to renovate would have been, when it's an empty space. There is nothing in the mouth and we have to rebuild the whole thing.
उसमें पैसा भी ज्यादा
मिलेगा.
So now to both of you.
Yeah.
Okay, I start with you first. So one thing clients say they want, and you want to scream, but you have to put a smile because obviously you cannot do that in front of the client. So what is that thing that a client would do or say and that would be like?
The most interesting or the most irritating thing is you have closed the transaction and then when a senior person comes, अभी मेरे रिस्पेक्ट के लिए अभी आप क्या दोगे? अरे भाई आपके बेटे ने ऑलरेडी मुझे निचोड़ लिया है. नहीं काइक तो करूँ ऊपर से
મારું માન રાખો.
you have to. I'm like તમે તમારું માન રાખવામાં તમારા નાના, like what I'll do is a very simple thing. He is your elder son, I am your younger son.
For us, it is very simple. Obviously, this happens in all the industries, so I'll not repeat it.
Right.
But I'm sure it doesn't happen in his industry, but it happens very. Doctor, as per me, I need a root canal and an implant and a cleaning. So the diagnosis is already done by them. Then why have you come to us? See, we have spent so many years in the business. We have spent so many years in educating ourselves. We spend so much on updating ourselves, right? There is a reason why we are doing it.
See, BPS built best price system is important. You're checking with 3-4 places. But I think after 4 don't go to the 5th.
Right.
और स्पेशली तो हैंडशेक के बाद वापस आप जब जाते हो ना, that is the most stupid. Because see, आज आपने किसी का हैंडशेक कर लिया, आप करने के लिए, you also be passionate and let him also be happy in that
Right.
whole that whole process of this transaction that you guys are doing.
And it's all about, again, you said how you build relations, right?
100%.
Yeah.
And I guess both the deals, like obviously when we are buying a house, it is for your own self. You wanted positive energy.
मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, अच्छी चीज कभी भी आपको सस्ती नहीं मिलेगी और अच्छी चीज हमेशा महंगी खरीदो.
Right.
And I'm a developer. I know all the developers personally, but when I want to buy a home, I have a channel partner, a broker whom I keep with me.
Right.
It's more easier वो communication.
Right.
मेरे को कभी ऐसा शर्म आता है कि मैं थोड़ी पार्किंग के फ्री में मांगूंगा या सस्ते में मांगूंगा. He could do that talking for me. Of course, in this industry it's different, but then it's about अच्छी चीज कभी आपको सस्ती नहीं मिलेगी.
महंगा रोए एक बार, सस्ता रोए बार बार. Something like that,
Right. Right.
So if we may feel that I am expensive, which I say sometimes I am, because obviously we give that quality, which I know nobody gives that kind of quality, the kind of quality we give. So we are going to charge a premium for it.
And
No
I
doubt
think many
about that.
times you would have like patients who would have gone.
Yeah, to 10
Other way.
places. Yeah, like he said, 10
Done.
places, and then they come, but then they don't compare
Regret.
apple to apple. That's the problem in our industry.
So my last question would be, if you had to swap the careers for a week,
For a week.
for a day is too short, right? So for a week, how would you manage selling a real estate property, and how would you be like a?
It would be fun. It would be exciting because obviously so sales is somewhere there inside me. So I like to do sales. So that's not. But the more exciting part will be the social media, right? Which he is now become a pro at. So it would be great to fill in his shoes and for a week and see how he is managing it and learn from that and then come back to my business and take it to that level in social media where, we are trying to reach to that level. And I'm sure with his experience, what years he took, maybe 2 years, 3 years to reach that level. Maybe we'll do it in 3 months because now we have learned from his experience. He learned on his own. He learned from his mistakes. He learned, interacting with so many. But now if I become him for a week, then it will be much more easier for So that will be
Because
the
it's
great
already
learning.
built.
Yeah, it's already built, right? It's already there. So it will be great, I think. Really great.
I think I would select that. I would select those particular time of the year when he goes for all those international.
Right.
मतलब जहाँ पे वो सीखने जाते हैं, क्योंकि मैं अगर
And you will-
मैं फेक डेंटिस्ट बनूंगा लोग बोलेंगे यार तू झूठ बोले मैं बट आई एम सो कॉन्फिडेंट लाइक मैं ऑटोक्लेव ऐसा 3-4 चीज सीख गया ना, मैं शायद डॉक्टर नील आशा से ज्यादा कन्विक्शन करूंगा नो ऑटोक्लेव दिस इज और ऐसा तो आई नीड दैट हाँ
That matters.
तो I would go to the conference side and try to like enjoy also.
Yeah.
Come back, but I come back, I'll drive the
Please
Tesla.
mark your calendar.
Oh, मुझे I'm super
No,
excited.
so listen, mark your calendar. Next March 2027, you are coming with me to Germany.
Perfect ideas we are coming. So be honest. How many times have you observed Dr. Neil checking your teeth while he's talking?
No, he is not a creepy doctor. वो he's like मतलब मेरा तो फीलिंग मेरे को बहुत टाइम से करना है, मेरा तो बहुत awkward होता है. My wife is also a dentist, but her clinic is a bit far.
Oh.
But if I come to office,
Oh,
it is more easier. Doctor, I'm
I'm there.
जरा कर लेना ना manage, so it is more easier. And she also knows कि हाँ चल मतलब
हाँ.
it's more easier. And we just got a baby girl, so उसके management में her a lot of time goes into that.
True.
But I think he is very chilled. मतलब
Still.
उनको पता है कि भाई वो खुद सामने से आएगा ना तभी बेटर है.
चलेगा.
So that's about it with the rapid fire, which was so not kind of a rapid answer.
Yeah.
Like answer in brief. So with the last one, I know we have too many people watching the show, and all of them would have either delayed their treatments or delayed buying a property or a house or anything. What is that one thing you would want to give them, like the final closing note?
Yeah, I think whether it's for me, it's the same. Whether it is real estate or whether it is dentistry, the more you delay, the cost it will get more complicated. Number one, and number two, at least in dentistry, and number two, the cost is going to rise exponentially for sure.
I think real estate COVID was a classic example for us. के classic thing to happen where people understood घर का importance क्या है. So people have seen that crisis and everything. के you can't live in a 1 BHK, 2 BHK and invest into stocks and like just think कि वो grow हो रहा है and मैं मेरा life आगे चला रहा हूँ. So I think real estate का हमेशा लोगों को requirement होगा and after work from home and everything now actually my product का importance क्या है वो automatically global scenarios ने prove कर दिया है.
Thank you, both of you. We definitely had a fun session. So, 2 builders, 2 industries, and just one truth. Delay is not what you should be doing, right?